one of the hurdles that we were facing prior to the COVID quarantine was getting funding. And we were in the process of going to South by Southwest to pitch in the World Innovation category. We were really excited about it. That was an April 2020 event that was canceled. So that really kind of made us have to think about, all right, how are we going to get our funding? And do we want to go back and revisit crowdfunding and really, give it another year of giving it our all? And that's what we decided to do. So we put a lot of effort into our regulation crowdfunding campaign, and we were able to raise over $200,000. Very, very, very thankful to our investors and all those people out there that support us, because it helped us really to get through 2020 and to be able to pivot. So one of the other hurdles that we were dealing with was trying to raise enough money to pay the upfront engineering fees for contract manufacturing. So for those people that might not be aware of contract manufacturing, the difference, basically it means we build the design, but we hire somebody else to make it for us. And that comes with a lot of consulting and getting everything kind of lined up in the right manner, going through the drawings, making sure that there's no issues with quality, that all of our suppliers are in the line. That's a lot of time and expense, and that was going to cost us almost $250,000. And when we didn't have that capital coming in the way that we wanted it to, we had to decide, what can we do with what we have? And we decided that, hey, we are an engineering team, we're a heavy engineering team, we have the capability to build and to manufacture on our own, so we decided, let's bring it back in-house. We built all of our prototypes, we built the first 5 prototypes in-house. Let's continue to build here on our own and figure out how can we maybe empower others to join that mission too. So stay tuned for that. But we decided to bring it back in-house, and that meant, okay, let's look at the manufacturing process and figure out what do we need to do so that we can manufacture in-house without having to go through a lot of expense and buying a lot of equipment to do so. So we made that pivot, and here you can see the result of that right now.